Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about my 2021 Redbubble earnings. I joined Redbubble last year 2021 in August. As of 15th Jan 2022, I have 741 designs uploaded. I made this store with no specific intent. I just wanted to see for myself if Redbubble is a viable source of income. I used Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter for promotions. Pinterest is my go-to social media account because I have a significant following, but in a different niche altogether. So I was slowly infiltrating Redbubble merch on my Pinterest. I started a new Instagram account and transferred my existing Twitter account. Even then, I only managed to get 3 followers so far and 176 favorites. So after 4 months and 741 designs later, I managed to make 16.10 US dollars on my Redbubble store. So yes, Redbubble can be a source of income, but I am still not sure if it can be a huge source of passive income. Here is the breakdown. I got my first sale on 21st September 2021, and this is 1 month after I launched. September I just made that one sale. October there was nothing. November I made 4 sales, not 2, sorry for the typo there. And in December 1 sale. As you can see, it is not at all consistent, but I can't be too mad about it because I was not doing my promotions consistently. I was not uploading on social media accounts consistently, so maybe I'll see a difference once I start doing that. Okay, in September I sold 1 sticker, October nothing, November 4th I sold 3 sticker packs and 1 backpack, and in December 1 sticker pack. As you can see, November was my highest month because of that backpack sale, which was completely a surprise because I did not optimize my design for the backpack, but somehow that design turned out so beautiful on the backpack and it made a sale. I got $8.33 for as a commission for that backpack. So my verdict is that Redbubble is a viable source of income. It's just that it is not totally passive. You have to work on your designs. You need to work on your promotions. You cannot rely solely on organic traffic. So in 2022, I'm going to focus a lot on self promotions, and I'm going to open a second store which is already underway. I'm going to focus on a niche for that store, and for this custom print SG, which is a general store, I'm going to focus on evergreen ideas instead of trending topics, because I realize trending topics takes a lot of time from you, and sometimes they might not just click with the audience, and if you don't promote. And I want to start designing early for holidays, maybe 2 months in advance. So I'm going to prepare a list of holidays that I want to work on. I want to do a lot more keyword research because I realize tagging is very important in Redbubble if you want to be successful and be found organically. I already started working on my website so that I can give a lot more backlink to my Redbubble store, and I am thinking of hiring a designer in 2022 as well. Is Redbubble worth it? Honestly, I still don't know. I have made a few sales, and I don't want to dismiss it as yet. So I will continue with it and report on the progress, and hopefully we all can learn together. I use Canva for my designing needs, and if you want a Canva Pro trial account, you can click on the link in the description box below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.